for this week, we're going to be covering a couple of flowering shrubs. And these are going to be great additions to your landscape. The first one is going to be a viburnum. It's going to be one of the viburnums that has a very pleasant smell, because not all viburnums smell good. This is one that's going to be sugar and spice, and this one's going to smell similar to cloves. Now you have to read the tag when it comes to the viburnum. This one is going to get 8 foot tall and 8 foot wide. So if you don't have room for this size of one, you're going to have to look for a smaller one like a Burkwoodii or a Judd viburnum. They're going to be smaller in size. The other shrub that we have over here is going to be a flowering quince. Now this one is tough as nails. Most of the time the old-fashioned one is going to be like an orange or a red bloomer, but this is one that's going to bloom white. Now with flowering quince, they're going to be a little bit prickly. They're not going to have thorns per se, but they're not going to be ones that you're going to want to walk through. Now it can produce a fruit. It's going to be similar to an apple. It's going to take a lot of sugar if you want to consume or eat that one. So both of these are great shrubs to go ahead and add to your landscape. Now we're going to throw it over to Gannon for weather.